Hi guys, this is Mike and this is HTMCS, how to make a chess set. New buy in woodworking and wanna know how to craft this beauty? Follow me with these easy steps. So let's get started. First things first, you need a template jig. If you wanna know how to make one, let me know in the comment and I will make a video about it. I chose walnut for the black pieces, so now I just need to cut a piece long enough for the queen. First I need to find the center, and after that I mount it on the lathe. I'm making a chess set for a chessboard that has the square of 3 centimeters, so the base diameter of this queen is going to be 20 millimeters. So I round the piece off until I reach 20. Once I reach 20, I make a chuck tenon to hold it in a vise or in a chuck later on. With the jig's help, I'll write down every section onto the piece. In every piece I make, the first thing I do is make a groove at the bottom of the base, and after that I turn the stem. With the free chisel I quickly remove material down to 16. Once I reach 16, I'll switch to the spindle gouge. Every now and then I'm checking on my template if I'm following the correct shape. With the help of a caliper, I check how deep I need to go. Now it's time to turn the base, and I will start by making a V-groove that separates stem and base. And after that I will turn the base from the center up to the V-groove and from the center down to the bottom. Before I move on to the next part, I like to sand it and fix all the imperfections. For the upper part, I need to reduce the diameter down to 14. For this part, I'm slowing down the lathe because this part is very tricky. The neck rings are very tiny and small. So I'm reducing the RPM to avoid the risk of messing it up. I'm using the free chisel to make the neck rings, and I try to be very careful with each ring. But it's not an easy task. The sandpaper helps sometimes. For the head, I'm switching back to the spindle gouge. Once I'm happy with the neck rings, I'll increase the RPM again and I'll start turning the crown. I'm pretty satisfied with the results, so now I'll just sand it and then I will do the spike with the dremel. Like I said, I'm using the dremel for the spikes, but you can also use a file or a rasp, it doesn't matter, as long as it gets the job done. Time to sand the tip and apply the finish. The oil highlights the walnut and also gives it a glossy finish. So guys, this is my queen, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe, there's the pop-up here up on the right. This way you won't miss my latest project.